The Kalashnikov Group has showcased its latest reconnaissance and attack drone, which can autonomously locate and destroy hostile targets in the air, on land and in the water. The smart ZALA Lancet attack drone does not require any additional ground or sea-based infrastructure to locate and engage its targets, and can rely on its own reconnaissance, navigation, and communication modules, as well as a 3 kg payload to carry out a precision strike within a 40 km radius. Unlike the earlier models, the new UAV, which has a takeoff weight of only 12 kg, continuously transmits a video of its target engagement to confirm successful completion of its mission. The Lancet is the second high-precision attack drone presented by ZALA Aero, a subsidiary of the Kalashnikov Group, this year. The company shared few technical details, but emphasized that the weapon system has already been tested. Earlier, the manufacturer unveiled the KYB-Cube UAV, which can detonate as it reaches the target almost undetected at a speed of up to 130 km/h, 81 miles per hour.